back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you are returning, welcome back as always. So as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing another maintenance pack and prep with me video. Y'all know I just came back from Charlotte. I haven't even been home for 2 weeks, and we have another vacation coming up, like I said in that video, and this one is actually for my 29th birthday. I'm super excited. Where we're going has been on my bucket list. It's kind of like a party destination, great for celebrating birthdays, you know, that kind of thing. And of course, we added another stamp to our passport because we are passport junkies. I'm not gonna waste any time. We need to get right into this maintenance because my birthday is in less than a week, but we're leaving early. So my birthday actually falls in the middle of the vacation. We are actually leaving in about 2 days. So I need to get it together. Actually, we are leaving in 2 days. I need to get it together. On the plus side, just to throw it in there, Chicago did have their first snowfall yesterday, which I'm excited about because that means snow's gonna be here around like the actual season when it should be here. But yeah, it's getting cold. It's cold. Okay, if y'all are wondering, my hair, it looks really good. Don't think I woke up this morning and curled my hair, because I definitely did not. These are flexi rods. They're like, I guess, a 1 inch or 1.5 inch. They're green, and I literally put 4 in my hair, and this is how my hair came out. My hair could never look this good, so I think I have mastered the flexi rod technique, and I'm sticking beside it. On another note, I have already started heating up my wax. My wax is actually still, oh yeah, okay. My wax is still melting, so we're not gonna wax our underarms just yet, but I need to wax my underarms. In fact, let me just tell y'all what we're gonna be doing in this maintenance. So I need to do my hair. I'm not wearing this hair. We're doing a curly wig install, which I already did all the prep and stuff for that. We're gonna tint our eyebrows, so wax, tint, hair. Gotta do our nails. If I'm missing something, I'll put it on the screen or it'll come to me throughout this video. While we still waiting on our wax to melt, I could tint my eyebrows now. I don't really want to wax them again. I feel like I like to have thick eyebrows. My eyebrows are very difficult, so I don't like to do, I can't even see, I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't like to do too much to them, but I can see a little few areas that I could fix. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this little headband and thing set my brother and sister-in-law got for me for my birthday. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Okay, let this be a rare occasion where y'all see me with some pink on. How do we look? I'm gonna spray my face with this Evian facial water spray. This is a little jar I put my tints in. I just use water to mix it up. I don't put a lot. I feel like a little bit of this can go a long way. But the best method that I have learned is tint your eyebrows like multiple days. So like I'll tint my eyebrow today, leave it on. Honestly, I'm gonna leave it on this whole time we're sitting here, or like the whole time I'm doing my maintenance today. So that way it can really like stain my hair, stain the skin that I have it covering. When I wash my face, I'll wash my face with soap, but like my actual eyebrows, I will only wash that off with like water. And then tomorrow I'm gonna reapply the tint, and that way it'll last as long as possible. I feel like that it'll last at least a week and a half, but let me just say a week just to be safe, because I don't have laminated brows, but I do like the brows up look. That's why y'all keep seeing me brush my brows up. So I like to do that, and then that's kind of also how I like to apply my tint. Well, of course, I'm gonna start on the bottom to kind of like map out the brow. But then when I like get into like applying it on the hair, I'm gonna do upward strokes. And like the front of my brow, like I'll use my spoolie to brush it up so it looks like light. But towards the back, I don't care how dark it looks. This tint is only going to get so dark. To me, it's like a natural darkness. So I will apply it more heavily towards the tip and the end of my brow.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Get some me time. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Brows are done. I know I look crazy, but it's gonna work out in the end. And with me having my eyebrows tinted, what I like filling in my eyebrows. Even when I had like perfect brows, the few times like I still would just fill them in. So with this, like I really don't have to fill them in, even though on some days I still will. I don't really like have a lot of patience. So while I'm letting my wax cool down, which it shouldn't take long because since it's cold, my house is somewhat cold. I mean, it's not cold because clearly I don't have on no type of sleeves or nothing. I have on the top. But while my wax is cooling down, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off this gel on my nails. Because once we're done waxing, we jump in right into we're gonna start on our hair, because I want to do my hair first, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be getting product all on my nails, and I don't want that like on my birthday nails, because our nails is gonna be cute. Y'all seen the thumbnail, they're gonna be cute. My wax is done. It's thick enough I can blow like to make it a little bit thicker. And then this is the progress on my nails, still working on it. Please do not judge my underarms. Underarms are done. A little irritated because I had to, wipe off some residue, wax residue, but they look good. They look dark on camera. They ain't even really that dark in person, but they feel smooth. It's been about an hour that's passed. It is like legit snowing outside. Like everything is covered in snow. It's no longer cute. Like it's cold, as y'all can see. I got on like a little jacket because me and that little tube top, it was not working out, and I had to turn my heat up. Not playing around. I'm about to get started on my nails. Well, I'm about to like start doing the whole acrylic application process of my nails. Let me show y'all the design I'm thinking about doing. This one is like really easy to do, so I'll probably lean towards doing that.
Spending night with you. It's always another day. Praying in my parade. It seems like you're scared. What I wanna do to you, I wanna go bad. So scared. Damn, baby. Whoa. It's always another day. It's always another day. I'ma put a Marvin Gaye. I'll push the button away if you want me. Stop me when I'm getting bored. I'm ready to say sorry. Wake up with me in the morning and say you don't regret it. What I gotta do to you. What I gotta do to you. I just don't think you're here. You're not spending the night with me. It's always another day. Praying in my parade. It seems like you're scared. What I wanna do to you, I wanna go bad. So scared. Damn, baby. Whoa. It's always another day.
When you hear me, I'll be going through it. I think I'm giving too much. Even though I shouldn't gamble on my time, I don't play with it. Yeah, I roll the dice on you, baby. I hit a steady, you could swing my way. And while you're at it, you could get a little taste. But you know that's not all I want. That means that you ain't enough. How does everything change when I say I want you? We be going back and forth, acting like you're so unsure. But every time you hear it's like I'm on yours. shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back end coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out the parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow. Stomp a little pussy, whole piece of shell toe. Dead glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Dead glow. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Dead glow. No competition, these bitches stale, ho. Dead glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Dead glow. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Dead glow. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. Dead glow. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with.
This will be the end of the maintenance vlog. As y'all can see, my eyebrows are done, lashes are done, hair is done. It's the next day, so my baby hairs, I haven't like refreshed them, but this is how the curls are looking. Super juicy and bouncy. Here are my nails. This is the first time I did like a design on my nails. I'm usually just a one color, girly, super neutral, more than likely, but I actually did a design and I think I did pretty good. So yeah, that is it for this maintenance vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you can see our vlog and also Vlogmas, which is coming up. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Go.